Hi everyone. So I found a way to make an interactive PowerPoint on Google Slides that gives the students feedback right away once they answer a question. I'm going to use this as a review activity at the end of chapters, even at the end of lessons. It could be used as like an exit ticket. So it can be a little tricky to set up, but once you start getting the hang of it, it does get a lot easier. So I'm going to show you exactly what it is and then how I did it. So if I present my screen, what I did was I made a question and then a slide that has correct and incorrect under each one. So my question was select a sentence with the correct punctuation, and then I gave the sentence and then three choices. So I'm going to present my screen. They would read the question. For dinner, I would like a hot dog, hamburger, and a baked potato. And then you would see that they would have to add three or two commas, I'm sorry, and then um, a period at the end for the end of the sentence. So this one is the correct answer. I'm going to show you that last. I'm going to show you what it does if you select the incorrect answer, and then how to go back and then select the correct answer. So I know this one says for dinner, I would like a hot dog, hamburger, and baked potato. It is missing a comma here. So if they were to select this as their answer, they would have to click this square. And then it says incorrect, go ahead and try again. So you would click the arrow, it takes you back, and then they would have to pick which one is the correct answer. I see this one is because it has the period and the two commas. So I would click this answer and it says correct, and then you hit next and it takes you to the next question. So the way to do this is you have to insert shapes and you have to link those shapes to a Google slide page. So every question that you have, you always need a correct slide and an incorrect slide. You can duplicate your slides or you can remake them. If you duplicate them, you have to reattach a link because if not, it's going to take you back to the old question. So I did my correct and incorrect. I just duplicated them, but so then it came down here again. You might have to rearrange them so that they go in order. So it's always a question, correct and incorrect under it. And then this one is still linked to that first question, so I'd have to unlink it. You would just right click and then click the unlink button. It looks like this. So if I right click it, it's this, or sorry, if I just click it, not right click, and then it has this, it says remove link. So when I duplicated it, I removed the links for both of these down here. So now these two will go with my second question. Which one has the correct capitalization? So I just put in the normal text box, I typed the answers, and then I inserted a shape. So I went to insert shape, I picked circles, and then I just put them on my slide. And then the next step would just be to link them to the either correct or incorrect. So which one has the correct capitalization? I know this one has the capital letter in the beginning and then for the name of the street. So this one is the correct one. So I would right click on this shape, you hit link, and then you want to pick which slide it goes to. So slides and presentation, and then this, I wanted to go to slide 7. So I would scroll down. Oh, I'm going to move it up. That way I can see. So I would hit link. I would slides and presentation, and I click slide 7 that I also see over here. So correct, and then apply, and then I would just move it back to the correct answer. Now this one is incorrect. So I want to right click it, link, and the incorrect slide is slide 6. So I want to click slide 6, apply, and then I also want to do it to this one. Link, slide 6, and apply. My time's going to run out on my Screencastify in 20 seconds, so I'll make the second video that goes along with this. So that was how to link them to a slide, and then I will show you from this last step after I linked this last circle to the incorrect slide.